Wadokie chenro mar piedho jogo manoro kwayo mar bedo komishonas mag IEBC madhi nyime ka Farida Abdalla Sound Sheikh mawuok e kaunti ma Mombasa ema nobedo jal mokwongo da dhoge ne lemono kawuono. Ji mamoko ma bende ibiro dayo dhogi oting'o Francis Odhiambo Aduol, Frederick Odhiambo Rego kaachiel gi Geoffrey Peter Muliwaswa.
2008 and 2007.
2007, 2008.
Would you like to tell us the particulars and how it ended?
Yes, what really happened was like this. As you can see from my record, I was in private practice prior. So what happened is that when I joined the tourism fund, there was a client for whom I was doing a claim. And this client, when she went to the law firm, by that time I'd left, had now gone to work in the tourism fund. So when the client went to check out, was not able to trace me. So eventually, when we were able to trace each other with the client, that matter was resolved. I think it was an adoption.
2007 or 2008?
2007, 2008.
Which one are you referring to?
I think they are the same. I think there was one by Jen Okello and Ayub.
I'm talking of DCC stroke 189.
Yes.